guys, welcome in this new video. In this video we will be discussing about some of the idioms that I have compiled for verbal English, and as you know that we should know verbal English and have a good grasp upon it. So I thought that these were some of the idioms that we should start with to learn, and in future maybe I can also increase this list and make a video upon that as well. But as of now, the left part with the bold in every line is basically the idiom, and the right side is its meaning. You first pause the video and try to actually say what do you mean by this idiom, and then play the video and listen me for the meaning of it and some examples. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. So too many irons in the fire. So it basically means that to be engaged in too many activities. So you can say that if you are like in a job and you are working for a company, and in that your role is having many tasks to do and you are multitasking on various projects, so you can say that you are engaged in too many activities. So you can say that like I in my company I have too many irons in the fire, so like that. Okay, and proceeding to the next one. So every Tom, Dick and Harry, so it basically means ordinary people. So you can say that a sentence can be that in every Tom, Dick and Harry was invited in my party. So this was it. So coming to the next one, so all and sundry, this basically means everyone. Okay, so one sentence can be that I was uploaded by all and sundry. Okay, after my speech, like this kind of thing. Then comes the play to the gallery. So it basically means to do things that one thinks will be popular among many people instead of doing what one thinks is right. So let's say if you are having a power and you govern the state uh, you are residing in. So sometimes a situation happens that people are not aligning with your decision on a particular matter or a subject. So in that case, you have to listen to the public. So you can say that the governor played to the gallery because he had no choice, like that kind of thing. Okay, so now coming to the next one. So give the devil his due. So this basically means give credit to what is good in a disagreeable or disliked person. So let's say if there is a bad person but he does a good thing, then you can say that you have to give the devil his due. Like you can this phrase can be used here. Okay, used there. So next comes know which side the bread is butter. So to know how to act or how to treat others in order to get what one wants. So this can be seen as like if you know if a person is hard on you and you know that if you praise him a lot then he can give you a promotion or any kind of thing. So you know that which side of the bread is buttered for that particular person. So you can know this, you can use this idiom in that sense. So coming to the next, bone of contention. So it means that something that two or more people argue about strongly over a long period of time, or basically arguing or disagreeing. So you can say that I and my friend had a bone of contention over an issue. Okay, like that. So the next one is holding the head high. So it basically means to be very confident and proud. So one sentence can be that after my exam I was holding my head high. Now coming to the next one, so elbow room. So this means that adequate space to move or work in. Okay, so you can say that the restaurant had enough elbow room to invite above 100 people, like that kind of thing. Okay, next one is snap one's finger at. So this basically means contempt, scorn, or disregard. So if someone is treating with contempt or disregard, then you can use that he snapped his finger at him. Okay, so this basically means that paying no attention to other people's words and not treating them well. Okay, so the next one is to stir up a hornet's nest. So this basically means that make trouble or cause a commotion, or basically to cause a situation that makes people very angry or upset. So you can say that let's say an example of cricket. So when Mahendra Singh Dhoni cannot hit a six, so he st- stirred up a hornet's nest. Okay. So next one is do somebody a disservice. This basically means that do something that harms somebody and the opinion that other people have of them. So let's say you have a good image of yourself in your uh, school or college or job, and you do something that harmed either your or some other people's respect or opinion which other people were having of your or that particular person. So you can say that you did somebody a disservice. Okay, um, Also, be bitten by the bug. This basically means to suddenly be excited by or very interested in something, which can be specified between the and the bug. So let's say if your friend is a very studious person, so you can say that he is he is bitten by the study bug. Okay, so coming to the next one, so take the bull by the horns. So this basically means that face a difficulty and grapple with it without avoiding it. So it basically means that if you're doing a work and you're having some difficulty, then you do not avoid that difficulty, you face that difficulty with your head high. So our next one is at a loss. So this basically means that unable to speak or speechless or befuddled. So this a sentence can be that he was so perplexed from that event that he was at a loss. Okay, and one more similar can be at a loss. So to be uncertain of how to proceed or what to do or think. So you can form a sentence. Let's say he was at a loss for that particular situation. Okay, like that you understand. Okay, but these two are somewhat similar. And the next one is a raw deal. This basically means that an unfair situation or poor treatment. So um, you can say that the poor people have a raw deal with the other people, okay, in the society. Okay, so the poor people have a raw deal from other people from the society, like that kind of thing. And open question. So this basically means an issue or topic that cannot be readily resolved or decided, a question that has variety of different answers or perspectives. So you can understand this as, like, let's say if you are having a problem and it has various answers, so you can say that that particular problem is an open question to the world. Okay, so this was it for today's video, and these were some of the idioms that I thought were necessary as of now, and in future maybe I can also increase them and make a video. And if you like this, then please leave a like, and as always, keep learning and keep watching.
Untitled.